How to install Chrome on PC. Need a faster browser? Let's walk through how to install Google Chrome on PC step by step. So open your current browser and then go to google.com/Chrome. And this would take you here. So in here, select download Chrome. Once downloaded, open the file, and on Windows, it's chrome setup.exe. Double click to run the installer. Allow permissions if asked. Chrome will install automatically in just a few minutes. After installation, Chrome opens automatically. If not, find it in your start menu and click to launch. You'll be asked if you want Chrome as your default browser. Click yes if you want all links to open in Chrome. Installing Chrome is quick and easy. Download, run, setup, and you're ready to browse faster. And that is how to install Google Chrome on your PC.